Hello, my children. Today we'll start together Unit 6, a great weekend. The weekend, we have 2 days as weekend at the end of the week. We have 7 days, yes, in the week. The last 2 days, they are the weekend. Lesson A. Here we have a dialogue between Billy and Sally. So Billy is asking, do you want to come over this weekend? Billy is asking Sally, can you come to visit us this weekend? Sally said, I can't. I'm going to visit my uncle. She is going to visit her uncle. Billy, what are you going to do? What are you going to do there? Sally, we are going to go skiing. She is going to go skiing. Isn't that cool? What are you going to do? Billy, I'm going to play basketball on Saturday. So Billy is going to play what? Basketball. When? On Saturday. Sally, why don't you do something with Sam and Amy on Sunday? So Billy said, yeah, maybe. Here we have 3 questions. Question number 1. Who is Sally going to visit? Sally is going to visit whom? Yes, Sally is going to visit her uncle. Number 2. What's she going to do there? Yes, Sally is going or she is going to go skiing. Yes, she is going to go skiing. Number 3. What's Billy going to do? Billy is going to do what? He is going to play basketball. Billy is going to play basketball. In this unit, we will learn together how to talk about a plan in future. If you are going to do something next week, tomorrow. So if you have a plan, we can use what to express this plan? We use am or is or are plus going to plus the verb in infinitive. So to talk about a plan in future, I use what? Am, is, are, then going to, then the verb in infinitive. I takes am, then going to, then the verb. He, she, it, or any singular noun takes what? Is, going to, then the verb. They, we, you, or any plural noun are plus going to plus the verb in infinitive. For example, I say, I am going to travel tomorrow. I am going to travel tomorrow. He is going to visit his uncle next week. They are going to play football on Friday. And to make negative, just you put not after am, is, are. Then going to, then the verb in infinitive. For example, I am not going to travel tomorrow. He isn't going to visit his uncle next week. They aren't going to play football on Friday. How to make yes or no question? Just start with am or is or are, then the subject, then going to, then the verb in infinitive, and don't forget the question mark. For example, he is going to visit his uncle tomorrow. So make yes or no question, you're going to start with is. Just a switch. Is he, and complete your sentence. Is he going to visit his uncle tomorrow? Then question mark. The answer will be yes, he is, or no, he isn't. Another example, they are going to play tennis next Friday. Are they going to play tennis next Friday? Yes, they are. Or no, they aren't. I am going to go to the cinema this weekend. We said before that I changed to be what you in the question. So I in the answer changed to be you in the question. You takes what? Are. So, are you going to go to the cinema this weekend? Yes, I am going to go to the cinema this weekend. Or, no, I am not going to the cinema. I'm not going to go to the cinema this weekend. How to make WH question? Just you're going to add the question word, like what, where, when, how, then am or is or are, then your subject, then going to, then the verb in infinitive and the question mark. Example, he is going to go to the zoo next week. He is going to go to the zoo next week. Make a question with where and another question with when. Yes, if I'm going to use where, I'm going to say what? Where is he going to go next week? Where is he going to go next week? He is going to go to the zoo next week. So when? When is he going to go to the zoo? Next week. I said before that the part that we ask about it, we don't write in the question. Another example. They are going to play tennis tomorrow. Make a question with what? What? Then switch. What are they going to play tomorrow? What are they going to play tomorrow? Yes, they are going to play tennis, not basketball. I'm going to stay for 3 days in Egypt. I'm going to stay for 3 days in Egypt. How long? So, how long are you? How long are you going to stay in Egypt? Yes, for 3 days. How long are you going to stay in Egypt? Here we have some clue words for future plans. Like what? Tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, next time, then time, next week, next weekend, next Friday, on then day, on Monday, on Tuesday. Let's answer exercise 2. Imagine your ideal weekend. Ideal means great, perfect one. Mark the activities. What are you going to do? So you're going to put through the activities that you are going to do. And false, the activities that you are not going to do. So are you going to visit your family? If it's okay, so put through. Are you going to go to the fun park? The park where you can play and have fun? Are you going to do some chores? Are you going to do chores? Are you going to go shopping? Are you going to do homework? Are you going to play sport? So you can mark what are you going to do. Exercise C. Ask classmates about their plans. You can ask your friends in the class. So try to find someone who is going to do homework today. Write his name or her name here. Who is going to do chores tomorrow? Who is going to do chores tomorrow? Write his name. Who is going to go to the cinema the day after tomorrow? Who is going to play a sport this weekend? Who is going to visit family next weekend? So you can write your classmate's name here. Calendar calculations. Here we can make our calendar. Complete the calendar for this month. Yes, we have. Which month are we in? Yes, January. You will write here January. Then you will fill the column. Answer the questions. Number 1. What's the date today? Today is Thursday, 21st. What's the date tomorrow? Tomorrow will be 22nd, Friday. What's the date the day after tomorrow? After tomorrow will be Saturday, 23rd. What was the date yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. 20. What was the date? The day before yesterday. Before yesterday it was Tuesday. 19. The next, number 6. What dates were last weekend? Number 7. What dates are this weekend? 8. What dates are next weekend? So according to the dates, you can find the dates of the weekend. Let's answer some questions together. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. I visited, am going to visit my uncle next week. Yes, next week. So it's a future. Something will happen. So Maha, I am going to visit. Excellent. I am going to visit my uncle next week. Number 2. What or how or why are you going to do? Muhammad. What? Yes, what are you going to do? Number 3. We are going to play or go or make skiing. We are going to, yes, Ibrahim, we are going to go. Yes, we are going to go skiing. Number 4. What are you going to do on or in or at Saturday? We said the days takes what? The days take, yes, Marwa, on. Yes, on Saturday. 5. What or who or how is Sally going to do there? Yes, Mahmoud, what's Sally going to do there? 6. She is going to play or plays tennis tomorrow. Yes, Abdurrahman, she is going to play. Yes, she is going to play. She is singular, so it takes is. 7. Sama and Nada are going to go, was going to the cinema next weekend. So it's a future, next weekend. Sama and Nada, plural. Yes, Faiza. Are going to go. Yes, are going to go to the cinema next weekend. Number 8. Maha is going to to visit her aunt the day after tomorrow. So Maha is going to visit her aunt the day after tomorrow. Excellent, boys and girls. Thanks for watching and wait for the next lesson. Bye bye.